हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल वी डिस्कस अबाउट एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स। ओके, आज का हमारा टॉपिक क्या है? एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स। द बैकबोन ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड ट्रेड आर द एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स। मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अ थिंग्स इज समथिंग डिफरेंट what selling. It is perhaps more important and difficult currently. The things are generally sold through advertisements. In the commercial world, the competition has reached at its peak. The main motive of advertising is to create their consumers, the buyers. Generally, a good advertisement generates a need or at least a desire to buy the things advertised. Okay. The Oxford Advanced Learner's Dictionary of Current English gives the meaning of to advertise as to make something generally and publicly known. The advertisements are not meant for any specific group or section of people, but it is meant for general public. The basic aim is to convey to this general group about a thing's product or an event. ओके, विज्ञापन एक विपणन संचार है जो किसी उत्पाद, सेवा या विचार को बढ़ावा देने या बेचने के लिए एक खुले तौर पर प्रायोजित गैर व्यक्तिगत संदेश को नियोजित करता है। विज्ञापन के प्रायोजक आमतौर पर ऐसे व्यवसाय होते हैं जो अपने उत्पादों या सेवाओं को बढ़ावा देना चाहते हैं। विज्ञापन को जनसंपर्क से अलग किया जाता है, जिसमें एक विज्ञापनदाता संदेश देने के लिए भुगतान करता है और उसका नियंत्रण होता है। यह व्यक्तिगत बिक्री से इस मायने में भिन्न है कि संदेश गैर व्यक्तिगत है, अर्थात किसी विशेष व्यक्ति को निर्देशित नहीं किया गया है। विज्ञापन विभिन्न मास मीडिया के माध्यम से संप्रेषित किया जाता है। पारंपरिक मीडिया सहित जैसे समाचार पत्र, पत्रिकाएं, टेलीविज़न, रेडियो, बाहरी विज्ञापन, प्रत्यक्ष मेल और नए मीडिया जैसे खोज, परिणाम, ब्लॉग, सोशल मीडिया, वेबसाइट या टेक्स्ट संदेश। किसी माध्यम में संदेश की वास्तविक प्रस्तुति को विज्ञापन के रूप में संदर्भित किया जाता है। मीडियम ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग। The contemporary times sees a surge of mediums of advertisement. Certain advertisements are glaring with vivid, you just cannot escape them. First, newspaper and magazines. An important means of advertisement, the newspaper and magazines are crowded with advertisements. These advertisements with pictures are generally more attractive and effective. A.M. Cassandra says a good poster is a usual telegram. This medium, being cheap and easily available, is heavily utilized to reach out the maximum of the population. Next, radio and loudspeakers. This audio medium of advertisement both are made attractive and effective by the use of catchy language and innovative musical effects. These medium of advertising are very cheap and reach out to the masses very easily. People still listen to the radio or anything being advertised on the loudspeaker. The rural area still connects to both of these means with comfort. Next है टेलीविज़न। This is a global service today, the strongest and the most effective medium of advertising. has both and audio and the visual effect. Today, the television is touching the masses. The advantage is that it communicates to the illiterate public easily. The modern techniques and technology has made this medium highly accessible to people all over the world. No geographical barriers, no language barriers. Technology has made the medium of communication very comfortable for all. Next, cellular phones. The only technology that has touched the people and mass are the mobile phones. From a level to the highest person in the bureaucracy, all the accessible and connected with their cell phones. Advertisements are very easy and economical on this medium. They are limitless because the consumers often have to adapt the D&D approach to get respite from the nuisance. Most of the companies use this method for advertising. Next, door-to-door advertisements. The door-to-door advertisers visit the homes in all localities to sell their products of every kind. Next, other medium. There are various other medium of advertising: distribution of pamphlets, brochures on postcard, envelopes and inland letters. There are giant size hoardings, huge television sets put up on the side of roads, slide shows in the multiplexes and cinema halls, though often these very eye-catchy advertisements become a big cause for accidents. They distract the passerby on road because they are placed at the crossings or on important roads and highways. Okay. Next, advertisement provide information. The advertisement provide information about the products and services, elections, religious programs and conventions, exhibitions and fairs, health issues, politics and political achievement, etc. Next, types of advertisements. First, government advertisements. The different ministries and their department publish their advertisements for various regions. These days, there are a number of advertisements for public awareness and information. Next, placement advertisement, public advertisements. There are advertisements published for filling up vacancies for various posts in government departments and offices. The public advertisements are given in the interest of general public. Next है matrimonial advertisements. The Sunday copy of all the newspaper carry few pages of matrimonial advertisements. Some monthly, fortnightly and weekly magazines also publish these advertisements. There are websites exclusively for matrimonial advertisements on the internet. The language of these advertisements are easy, simple and brief. Use of abbreviation is very common. The advertisements have become an integral part of our daily lives. From the morning newspapers, cell phones, various television channels, radio, on road hoardings and banners, or large-sized projections, we are just surrounded by them at every step of our daily routine. You like it or not, but they have entered your life in a very creative way, satisfying the main motive of advertising a product to create its consumers buyers. But this is also very true that advertisement generate need or at least desire to buy the advertised products. ओके, इसके क्या पर्पज है? Advertising is at the front of delivering the proper message to customers and prospective customers. The purpose of advertising is to inform the consumers about their product and convince customers that the company's services or products are the best, enhance the image of the company, point out and create a need for products are the best, enhance the image of the company, point out and create a need for products or services, demonstrate new use for established products, announce new products and programs, reinforce the salespeople's individual messages, draw customers to the business and to hold existing customers. Okay. Thank you for watching.